So I've done a couple of videos talking about money, and um, today I wanted to talk about finding creative ways to take, you know, a little bit of extra cash you might have sitting in your wallet and trying to turn it into a profit. So anyone who knows who Gary Vaynerchuk or Gary V is knows that he likes to go garage sailing and try to, um, like bargain and find stuff that he can get cheaper and then sell at profit. And depending on the particular item, sometimes he's making anywhere from loose change, 50 cents a dollar on an item to I'm sure there's some he's made 20, 50, 100 on some bigger ticket items. um, I know he's done a couple of videos um, following him doing the yard sales and then tallying up the buys, like how much it cost, how much he made out of the item when he posted it online. So that's something you would if that's a route you want to go. You know, you might only have $10 or $20 with you, but if you um, know what you're buying, you know its value, and there's a gap between what the person's asking and the potential price you could get posting it online, then that's something you could pursue. Um, I did a video talking about a couple of different passive income ideas, like affiliate marketing, um, and can't remember all of the different suggestions, but yeah, you just have to know your particular skill sets or your personality. Not everyone is going to be able to be like Gary Vee and be able to negotiate with people to get a price on something at a garage sale to then turn around and play the salesman and be able to mark it up for a dollar profit and do that on however many items. Like, not some people can, not everyone will. You know, maybe you know maybe you enjoy writing, so you could write a book. You have something that you're knowledgeable about. You could um, write a how-to book, or you enjoy stories, so you could tell a story, some sort of a fiction book. You just have to look at yourself and what you're good at and how you could turn it into an income source. Not everyone, um, some of the people that might not be good at, garage selling to post it online. Some of those people might be able to write stories, and vice versa. Um, some people make money off of blogging, um, writing a blog or doing the video blogs. Um, that takes a little bit more consistency sometimes. Sometimes you have to write or shoot, you know, hundreds of blogs before you start, noticing any kind of money. But if you, make a habit of, sitting down, a couple of times a week to write something or shoot a video, and then, later that week or even later the day you shoot the video, editing it and uploading it. There's multiple different things you could do, So hopefully you found some value in this, and keep checking back every so often. And if you end up finding this interesting, please hit the like button. Have a good day.